pub, dance bar have ruined the Goa's tourism. जेन्ना आमची काजारांक धांक बंद जाताय जाल्यार how come we should allow this kind of club culture? Really, I oppose the club policy. The recent development in Goa that some of the MLAs are asking to implement a club policy in the coming assembly. As a Sarpanch, as a stakeholder, I want to stress on certain things about a club. First of all, Goa is a natural destination for tourism and never been a club destination or a capital. जे आमचे लोक गोंया पळयता तो आमचे गोंयच्यो बीचीज द वॉर्मथ ऑफ द पीपल द क्रुझीन आमचो कल्चर पळोवपाक गोंया हे आमचे फेमस जाल्ले हे हिपी टायम आसून ऑफकोर्स देर शूड बी एंटरटेनमेंट पार्टीज बट a club, what has happened recently in Goa, especially in northern belt of Goa, जे dance bar, जे आमचे late night music चलता सकाळचे 7:00 5:00, that should not be permitted. We want the people to come to Goa to enjoy the food, live music in the restaurant which can go late. जेन्ना आमची काजारांक धांक बंद जाताय जेन्ना आमकां आमची काजारां आमचे गोंयचे जे ट्रेडिशन आहा ते बंद जाता जाल्यार how come we should allow this kind of club culture? See, pub is different. Pub means you don't need to be beyond 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the morning. Yes, we want some entertainment, restricted entertainment zone where we have make sure that the people are not disturbed, people are not drunk all night. They want them to drive safely home. We want them to enjoy. So what I am afraid is, especially in South Goa, people come to enjoy the beauty. They come to enjoy the natural, the beaches. If pub culture तरी दिले आणि जेन्ना आता पंचायत should be deciding what we want, what we don't want, what the village people want. And strongly I oppose the club policy. I would request the Chief Minister to consider the stakeholders before framing any kind of policy. The current music policy should be amended. आणि जे आमचे म्युझिक आसता रेस्टॉरंटांनी ते कंटिन्यू जावपाक जाय. We don't want that dance bar. We don't want somebody to apply for a pub and then continue disturb the people, get drunk, accident. We want quality tourism. We want people to come to Goa to enjoy their stay, relax, go to the beaches, sightseeing, and make sure they go back home with good memories. So once again, I want to make sure that I have to give my reservation on this policy. We consider, and I urge all the other MLAs, please do not blindfoldly support, because pub, dance bar have ruined the Goa's tourism. And we are suffering, and we don't want that to continue. Thank you.
Claudia, after successfully screened at 56th International Film Festival of India as a world premiere, now releasing on 19 December 2025 all over Goa.
Claudia, mogacia, urbi buri jiva samoso. Claudia, mismo já, dolce chapla rucatuso.
Releasing across Goa at Panjim, Porvorim, Margao, Vasco, Ponda, Bicholim.
Claudia, uianja, mogam somata rosauneso.
Do watch Claudia, a film by Rajendra Talak.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms for the latest updates and content.